The oxidation of bromide by bromate in acidic solution is described by this complicated equation here. The reaction is first order in Br minus, first order in BrO3 minus, and second order in H plus, and we're asked to answer these questions here. To write the rate law, we use the orders of the different reactants and write out the rate law. So the rate is equal to a rate constant times the concentration of Br minus, or bromide. It's first order, so we put a 1 there for the power. BrO3 minus is second order, so we put a power of 2 there. I'm sorry, it's a first power. First order, so a first power. And then second order in H plus, so H plus to the second power. Okay, now if something is raised to the first power, it's just equal to itself. So sometimes, normally we don't even write the first power, so we would just write something like this. Okay, so part B now asks what is the overall order, and that's just the sum of the individual orders. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So the overall order is 4. Or we say that it's a fourth order reaction, okay? Now let's start thinking about some of these other questions here. We've got question C, how does the rate change if H plus is tripled? So let's compare before and after. So let's take our rate law and just plug in 1 for all the concentrations. Okay, so 1 squared times k, that's just equal to k. And now let's go ahead and pretend like that concentration for H plus has been tripled. So if we triple 1, it's going to become 3, and that's still squared, okay? So 1 to the first power is 1, 1 to the first power is 1, and 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. So this comes out to 9 times the rate constant, okay? So the answer here is that the rate goes up by 9 times. Goes up or increases by 9 times. Okay, the reaction rate is going to be 9 times as fast. All right, let's go ahead and work on part D. How does the rate change if Br minus and BrO minus are halved? So again, compare before and after. So we'll just take the before case again. It's just 1 to the first power, 1 to the first power, 1 squared, and that's equal to k as before. Now let's go ahead and alter those concentrations. So we're having Br minus, which is the first term, so 1/2 to the first power, times BrO minus 3. BrO3 minus is halved as well, so let's put a 1/2 in here. And it doesn't say anything about H plus, so we're going to assume that's the same. Okay, so 1/2 times 1/2 times just 1 is 1/4. All right, so the answer here would be the rate goes down. Goes down by 4 times. Okay, or it's 4 times slower. Okay, there's different ways of explaining that in words, but basically the rate is 1/4 as much. Okay, thanks for watching.